kultura, ang tradisyon at kabuhayan na ipinamana na sa atin ng ala sa mga mapanirang proyekto ay hindi ginagamit sa...
Pagkadahawak niya, diretso sa back.
4 years of the Marcos administration has basically been 4 years of failed promises. He promised that there would be a new Philippines, that the economy would improve, that we would pursue an independent foreign policy, and that later on in his administration, that corruption would not be tolerated. Unfortunately, the reverse has happened. Our people are experiencing more hardships. As far as foreign policy is concerned, well, the president has decided to become a puppet of the United States, and has allowed himself and the country to be used by the United States to contain China, which the effect is that we are now as far away from resolving our conflict with China through diplomatic means.
Five years of Marcos presidency, we never saw, or we never see, and we will never see, him giving the benefit or him working for the service of the Filipino people. Ang kanyang sineservisyohan, the only people that he will service is the imperialists in the United States, as well as the ruling class of the Philippines.
Ilang estudyante, ang perspektibo ko sa 5 taon na rehimeng Marcos ay hindi ito naging competent, walang accountability, at of course, wala rin itong sapat na service na genuine sa masa.
Jelajahi cara baru mendapatkan informasi. Download Metro TV Extend sekarang.